G'day viewers, 6:30 in the morning, usually about the time I wake up every morning. Cook myself some eggs, some oats, get the day started right. Just kind of look out at the view and not think about anything. Think about what I gotta do for the day, things I have to order for the car washes maybe, what workout I'm gonna have. So many questions, so many choices, but that's the beauty of it. So the first car wash I got, Main Street Car Wash in Hesperia, which you guys are familiar with on my videos, hopefully. I'm gonna close it down for a day and a half because I'm gonna repaint it. It's been, well, I haven't actually repainted that car wash since I first got it 6 years ago because the paint was good condition and it's lasted all the way up until now. And it's now at a point where it's like, okay, it's time to paint it. So today, I'm gonna buy the paint. We're gonna go to probably Sherwin-Williams to buy the paint. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go up there and paint the damn thing. Besides that, we're gonna head to my latest car wash, Covina Car Wash, which I posted a bunch of videos of the remodel for that one. Hopefully you guys watched it. If not, I quit. You know what's crazy? I think it's gonna be 90 degrees today. And on Thursday in Covina, it's gonna hit 100. And technically we're still in winter. I think winter changes March 20th, March 21st, somewhere around there. So that's another week away. So we're gonna hit 100 degrees and sunny in winter time. That's insane. So it's all sunny this weekend. It's between 80 and 90, this week, which is great for car washing. It's gonna be a very good week. All car washes are gonna be busy. So I'm gonna have to stay on top of things and keep every bay open, everything working to the best of its ability, because the last thing you want on a busy weekend is either a down bay and you got cars lined up waiting to use it, or say the pre-soak's not working, or the soap wash goes out, your compressor goes out. There's so many things that can go wrong, that will go wrong, and it's up to me to fix it as soon as possible. Fingers crossed nothing goes wrong. But for those of you in the car wash business, saying nothing goes wrong, I don't even know what the term is. So I'm gonna stop the conversation right there. So the sun is starting to rise. Beautiful sunset. It's actually warm out. I wouldn't say warm, but it's nice. So a lot of people like to watch the news for traffic info. A lot of people like to check their GPS for traffic. Well, I just look at the freeway to see how it's moving. But for now, let's go get dressed and come with me for a day in the life of a car wash owner. So yesterday I got a call from the bank because the other day I dropped off some quarters in the quarter bag, and apparently the quarters were a little wet. This has only happened twice in 6 years since I've been dropping off quarters. So I had to get the bag back and dry the quarters off because apparently there was moisture and the bag got foggy and the Federal Reserve doesn't accept it. So this is what you got to resort to. You got to dry the quarters off, put them on a towel and dry them off. Bag them back up and take them back in. I'll do that when I can be bothered. All right, time to drive. Open sesame. So this is basically what, my days consist of. You saw it, wake up, have breakfast, hop in the truck and head to the car wash. Usually I do 2 car washes, the 2 closest to me, and the other 4 up in the high desert, which are an hour and a half away. You know, obviously Edwin works those ones, so I only go up once a week, collect the cash, do all the fun stuff, and that's that big long day for the week, which is 1 day. And then the other 6 days, I drive 40 minutes to my other one and an hour to the other one. So I pretty much run 2, because without that I'd have nothing else to do. So I do it for fun, I enjoy it. It's all new equipment for the most part, so I'm really just there for maybe 30 to 40 minutes, sweeping up, cleaning up, emptying the trash bins. And once I'm done doing that, the gym that I go to is literally right next door to my car wash. When I say right next door, yeah, pretty much 0.1 miles away. So I get done with the car wash, I pop in the gym for about 45 minutes, and then I'm usually home by 11. So that's pretty much my day every day. And if you could ask my 15-year-old self what you would want your life to be like, this is pretty much it. I'm happy to say that I'm living my life. Cruising down my Holland, got the Hollywood sign right there. I just wake up and do whatever I want each and every day. All thanks to the car wash, busy. Probably think I'm living out of my truck. Looks like I'm homeless. Living out my truck with all the crap in the back. Tools and spare parts and stuff you need. So anyway, who cares? But May 11 to 13 in Nashville, I'm going to be at the car wash show. I went a couple of years ago to Nashville. It was super cool. I had a great time and met a lot of awesome people, so I'm going to be there again this year. So be sure to go. Let's hang out. Let's talk car wash stuff and see what they got going on in the industry. In other news for Car Wash Chronicles, for those of you who know a popular YouTube channel called Upflip, they film pretty much entrepreneurs and how they started their business and how their business looks today. A few weeks ago, they came out and filmed an episode on me, so that was fun, that was an honor. So I think they're going to be releasing that soon on Upflip, Upflip on YouTube. I'll let you guys know when it's out. I don't know how it looks. I usually edit all my own videos, so I know what I'm posting and whether I sound like an idiot or whether I look like an idiot. But you know, they filmed it and I don't know what the end result's going to look like. So it's going to be interesting to see how the finished product will be posted, see how I look with someone else's editing. But I'm 37 now, and I've been thinking about the car washes and everything, and I think it's time to take my exit. My exit to the car wash right here, Sunflower Avenue. I'm just about to take my exit, so alright, good. So first order of doing business is walking in. And I like to open this and make sure all the breakers are on. Make sure all the breakers are on and everything's good, everything's working. There's no error codes down here for the air dryers. So far that's good. I come over here. I really like to turn this light on. Yeah, I really like to do that. Look for any leaks. Dry. All nice and dry. That's how we like it. I checked the money. Woo, it's gonna be a good week. That's a heavy one. Let's check the other side, shall we? Oh yeah. Yep. That's a good one. I like to check the bill changes, make sure they're all good. No errors. 4 lights. Flashy dot going back and forth. And of course the front bum. Little dot going back and forth. 4 lights are on, so everything is good. So after I checked everything is good, I grab the sweeper and I sweep the place. Checking my vending machine. Can't believe it's empty. I filled it up like 3 days ago. It has been busy. Very nice. Pretty good for the week. Obviously a little tricky with one hand. Usually I use 2. But here I am holding the camera. Gotta grab a stack. See, grab too many. Grab a stack, put it there. Hats off to all the people with one arm out there in this world. All full. Really getting busy now, all base full. Except for this one, so I better quickly fix it. I saw this. So with all bays full, I better get it fixed and open. Oh yeah, get that soap. And that's pretty much it. Swept up, empty trash. Check the soap, it's all good, no leaks, no problems. Fixed bay 1 Dixmoor timer. That's it. 45 minutes to an hour later, done. If only there was more problems, I could stay and spend my day here, but it sucks. I gotta go home and do nothing now. It sucks. Someone's putting in money. Thought I'd decide to give the truck a quick wash before leaving. Since you could barely see out the windshield. All done. Very happy with how everything works. Super clean. Yeah. Dunzo. Look at that nice clean windshield. Now we can see no more marks all over it. One mark. Anyway, what do we got? We got 3 bays full, so 50%. What the hell? And so far it's busy. It's only 9:30. So like I was saying, it's only 9:30, but it goes like that. It goes so quick. So quick. Swept up, the usual stuff. No major problems. Fixed the air dryer hose that was torn. And I've already told you what I did there. So my gym's literally just right there, but I'm hungry. I can't work out on an empty stomach. So I'm gonna go get some food, go to the paint store, get some paint for my other car wash. And then I'm gonna work out, and then that's it, that's the day. Should be done by 11:30. Not that I would call it a work day, it's just me hanging out. I enjoy it. It's fun to me. But I guess now that I've left the car wash, this is where everyone clicks off, because people only want to see car wash stuff, which I get it. I'm a car wash channel, I get it. I think I got 245 videos on my YouTube channel here that you're watching. 245 videos, ooh, straight through the yellow, which is now red. Woo! No cops, we're good. 245 videos, basically all on self-serve car washes. There's not much left to be said. There's really not. So if I show little bits and pieces here and there of my life, whether I go away, I'm in a different state, I just hope you guys watch it. Or don't. My life doesn't change. If I have YouTube or don't have YouTube, my life doesn't change. I don't make my money from YouTube, I make it from car washes. Unlike other people out there. So I decided to go to Sprouts, because Sprouts has some pretty good pre-made meals, like salmon and sweet potato and green beans, and it's yummy. So let's go around here and be healthy at Sprouts, because it's good to be healthy.
Do you wish to continue?
Sprouts was a success. Got my food, gonna eat it in the truck and go get some paint. So I changed my mind on the salmon. I got the beef pot roast instead. with some mashed potatoes, carrots and beans. I got myself a fiery ginger shot. I like to take one every day to stay sick free. And I got a protein shake, 32 grams of protein to build the muscle. So let's go ahead, let's eat this. Paint and gym. It's a tough day. Oh, there's a Dunn Edwards over there, paint, huh? That's cool. I don't know if they have what I want, but we'll see. See, I wasn't lying. Dunn Edwards paint right there. Not Dunn Edwin paint. It's pretty good. I mean, it's cold. Be nice to heat it up in a microwave, but I think they have microwaves in there, but couldn't be bothered. Always in a hurry. So as I sit here eating my food, I just like to check my cameras. That's the car wash I just left at. And I like to check my other cameras. See how busy they are. Looks very busy to me. Let's check out Bear Valley. How's Bear Valley looking? Woohoo! 2 cars waiting. I see you back there. You can't hide. And then we got Barstow, which will probably be a little... Hey, look who it is! It's Edwin! Look at him hosing down the bay. What a good man. Love you, buddy. Oh! Not the best tasting, but it's good for you. That's all I care about. So I just got done eating my food and I Googled Sherwin-Williams paints near me. You know, hoping one that was nearby. I think I have too much luck in this world. Literally right next door to where I already am. So let's go ahead, let's walk on over and see if they got the paint that I want. Okay, well maybe I'm not so lucky. So that paint store, the Sherwin-Williams, they didn't have the paint that I'm after, so they called up another Sherwin-Williams and about 15 minutes down the road here, and they have 3 5-gallons, which is enough to get me started. I think I'll probably need at least 4 5-gallons, but at least this will get me started. I'll pick these up and then see where I can get the other ones. So we're heading to the Sherwin-Williams West Covina. Terminator 2 Judgment Day. Always reminds me of it. There it is, we made it. Sherwin-Williams. Where's the driveway? Yeah. Very nice. Which color? I think I chose this one. I should just go crazy and do the walls like bright yellow. Catch people's attention. Success! 3 5-gallons of paint ready to go tomorrow. So now I just need a few more because that's probably only going to do 3, maybe 4 bays. We'll see. So the total I just spent at Sherwin-Williams paints, I got 3, and I got a bunch of other painting stuff, rollers and stuff like that. The total is $869.17. There's $700 for the paint, so what's that, like $230 each for a 5-gallon. So I got 2 more to go, so that'll be another $500. That's like $1,300 just on paint and supplies. Quiet GPS, I'm explaining the cost of the paint. Coming back up to the car wash. Just do a drive through, make sure everything looks good, see how busy it is. We got one customer, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, not bad. 6 customers. So the car wash is just over there, and the gym is literally in this plaza here. Bulldog Gym. Yep. Bulldog. There it is. Small, old equipment, hardcore, quiet. My favorite. Done. Workout complete, and now it's time to go to Jamba Juice and get a smoothie time. Let's go to Jamba Juice. All right, we're gonna do one more drive through the car wash since we're right here. We're gonna see if everything's in order. No down hoses, no trashola. Oh, it's quiet. There's no customers. One customer. Do we have a second? Nope. Hey, 2. One wet bay, 2 wet bay, somewhat wet bay, wet bay, wet bay, wet bay. All bays are wet, so the rush is over, and it's a quiet minute. 1 minute of the day was quiet that I drove through, so it's going to be packed in about 5 minutes. Hopefully. Change of plans. Forget the smoothie, I don't care about it. I was driving by and I saw it and I felt like it. So we're doing it. For those of you who know, no. It's the one and only In and Out. Hear that noise my truck is making? I don't know what that is. Does anyone know what that is? Double double. The best of the best. There it is, the infamous In and Out. Ruined by the GPS again. Infamous. Yummy! Looks a little different, but it's still good. Well, I'm almost home. It's another day done. It was a great day, and not much left to say about it, except for all these bumpy Hollywood Hill roads. Back home, where it all started, where we started the day when it was dark when I left. I woke up, and now I'm back home. 2:10 is the time, and now I get to relax, enjoy everything that this beautiful country has to offer. Thanks for watching, guys. Chris Hackett with the Cars Chronicles. See you all next time.